I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to edit Oceanwp theme. Open your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance, then Themes, and activate Oceanwp or your child theme. Next, install the recommended plugins and import a demo if you want a quick starting point. Always back up your site before making major changes and confirm your hosting meets theme requirements to avoid errors during customization and updates. Open the WordPress customizer and choose header to edit layout, logo, menus, and sticky behavior for desktop and mobile. Adjust spacing, header height, and responsive visibility to ensure the site looks great on phones and tablets. Change colors and typography here for consistent branding, and preview changes before publishing. Save revisions and test navigation, links to confirm menus, point to the correct pages, and anchors across the site. Open a page in the editor and use Oceanwp meta settings to control title visibility, sidebars, and page layout per page. Apply global typography and palette choices in the customizer for consistent design across content. Use widget areas and Oceanwp hooks to insert custom content like banners or calls to action without editing theme files. Always preview on mobile and desktop to ensure spacing and elements look balanced before publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.